Welcome friends, this is your favorite channel, It Speaks. Here we will provide information regarding various events occurred on specific dates through our videos. In this video, date 1st January speaks about scientific inventions occurred. First we will talk about Eniac. In 1946, Eniac, the first US computer, was finished by John Mauchly and John Presper Eckert. It was built at the Moore School of Engineering, University of Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, based on ideas developed by John Atnasoff of Iowa State College. Though not the first ever computer, ENIAC is regarded as the first successful general digital computer. It weighed for 27,000 kg and contained more than 18,000 vacuum tubes. A staff of 6 technicians replaced about 2,000 of the tubes each month. Many of ENIAC's first tasks were for military purposes, such as calculating ballistic firing tables and designing atomic weapons. Since ENIAC was initially not a stored program machine, it had to be reprogrammed for each task. Now we will talk about universe size. In 1925, a paper by Edwin Hubble described how he had measured that the Andromeda galaxy was at a far greater distance than and thus not part of our Milky Way galaxy. That significantly extended the known view of the universe. His paper was read by H.N. Russell to a meeting of the American Astronomical Society in Washington, D.C. Hubble had observed Cepheid variable stars in the Milky and Andromeda galaxies. He applied Henriette Leavitt's discovery that for such stars pulsation rates and absolute brightness were related in a predictable way. If two such stars have the same pulsation rate, they have the same absolute brightness. If one appears less bright, it is further away, comparing apparent brightness with absolute brightness, known from the pulsation rate, gives distance measurement. Now we will talk about X-rays. In 1896, German scientist Wilhelm Röntgen announced his discovery of X-rays. He sent copies of his manuscript and some of his X-ray photographs to several renowned physicists and friends, including Lord Kelvin in Glasgow and Henri Poincaré in Paris. 4 days later, on 5 Jan 1896, Die Press published the news in a front-page article which described the discovery and suggested new methods of medical diagnosis might be made with this new kind of radiation. 1 day later, the London Standard cabled the news to other countries around the world about a light which, for the purpose of photography, will penetrate wood, flesh, cloth, and most other organic substances. It printed the English language account the next day. Now we will talk about ninth planet. In 1909, London newspapers quoted astronomers about a possible trans-Neptunian planet. The Solar Physics Observatory at South Kensington cited photography evidence received from Professor Pickering of Harvard Observatory. After the discoveries of Uranus in 1781 and Neptune in 1846, the latter had been regarded as the outermost planet. Now Pickering's graphical analysis suggested a ninth planet, as various phenomena seemed to indicate a disturbing factor that could possibly be another planet of considerable size beyond Neptune. In the previous decade or so, several astronomers or mathematicians had published their speculations of distant planets. In the period 1908 to 1932, he proposed 7 hypothetical planets. The claims were never substantiated. If you like our content, please like and share our videos and also subscribe our channel Date Speaks. Thank you.